Hi guys, it's been a while. I'm going to be showing you how I did this Sunmi inspired look from her new music video Siren. So right now I'm just taking my foundation, putting it all over. I'm using the Fenty Beauty foundation. I have a lot of Fenty Beauty now guys, just letting you know. Right there I'm trying to show you that my foundation number is 450. So shout out to all my 450s out there. Yeah, so I get paranoid. I watch too many scary movies, alright? So I had to go close that door real quick. Please do not mind those water bottles. I just got done being sick recently. And yeah, I just been drinking water like crazy because you guys stay hydrated, y'all. You guys stay hydrated. Can I just say it's been 4 years since I made my last tutorial? 4 years. 4 years. And can I just say thank you to everyone that's like commented, subscribed, and everything. You guys are awesome. So I'm kind of just showing off my blue contacts that I got from Eyes Candies. The link will be down below for you guys. I really like them because they look really natural to me. Probably because they got a little bit of green in there, so it looks kind of hazily. So please do not come for me, guys. I used my stick, my Fenty Beauty stick suede, and I put it on my lid because I don't have primer, unfortunately. So I was just kind of experimenting here, and I was just like putting it all on my eyelid, hoping for the best, you know, just hoping that I get a little bit of pigmentedness from my eyeshadows. So don't come for your girl, alright? Don't come for me. So here I'm just putting it underneath my eye, you know, to hide some of the dark circles, my nose to make it narrower, my chin. We're going to be trying to get my face to look as slender as possible. Now I'm going in with another stick. It's called Espresso. Espresso? I think I'm saying that right. Sorry if I'm butchering it. Espresso. And I'm just, you know, contouring here and there. So when I did this, I was like, man, I'm chocolatey, alright? So I could not tell it, like, how contour it really was making my face until after the video. And I was like, okay, that's pretty good. Decent amount of contouring, and I should have probably buffed it in a little more, but what you gonna do? Yeah, so I'm just thinking to myself, look, this is as slender as my face is gonna get, so I'm just taking a regular Wet n Wild eyeliner pen and I'm filling in my eyebrows here. So I was having a lot of trouble with this because I was filling them in thicker than usual, and I was like, darn it, okay. So you're gonna be seeing me try to wipe it away, adding it back, wiping away, adding it back. It was a mess. It was a mess. I'm not a professional, okay? So I repeat, I'm not a professional. There's a little string on the back of my head. I did not know he was there until the end of the video. And I named him Wilbert, because, like, why not? What's up, Wilbert? You guys say hi to Wilbert. And now I'm just, like, filling in my eyebrows because I noticed that she had, like, some glitter in her eyebrows in the music video, which I loved. Oh, my gosh. So I took my Fenty Beauty eyeshadow palette and I used Ozone Layer, and it was getting me a very subtle sparkle look, and I really loved it. Like, I'm considering like doing this as like a look just to go out the house with. I just really liked it that much, so I'll probably be doing this for a while. I'll probably be rocking this. I noticed it wasn't as sparkly as I wanted it to be. Like, I like this if you're going for more of a subtle look, but I wanted a little more oomph. So I then went back over it with Lightyear. It's kind of a cream color, and it's totally out of focus right now. Hold on, give me a second. There it is. And I really like that. I put it on my eyebrow, and I also went into like doing the Egyo style thing, and I put it under there too, underneath my eyes, and it worked out pretty well. Got a little too much here and there, so I just kind of went over it with my eyeliner pen. Right here is where I'm adding that cream color again, and just putting it on my Agio. And it really popped after that when I put that. Did a really good job. Now I am taking Sunburst, and I'm going to be taking that all over my eyelid. I really like using this because it gave me a very subtle look. In her music video, you see, she has a very very sparkly eyes. Like, it has some shimmer here and there, but it's not overwhelming. It's just the right amount, and I felt like Sunburst did the job for that. Now I am taking, what is that? Planet X. I'm taking Planet X. It's kind of like a gold, pretty much. It's like a lighter tone gold. And I'm putting it on my non-existent eyebrow bone. So right there, I am taking Mars on Fire. This is like my favorite color in the whole palette. And I'm going to be using that on the corner of my eyes. I always start out using my pinky, and then I go in with a brush to kind of blend it out a bit, so it's not so harsh. So what I did was take some clear lip gloss and I did a few taps, just a few taps underneath my eye. And then I took some glitter that I already had, that I had for like a very long time. And I took my brush, dipped it in the glitter, and kind of carefully laid each glitter wherever I put some lip gloss within that area. If that makes sense. You can kind of see here in the video. I'm just carefully putting them in place. Kind of like a one-by-one method. Wilbert's just hanging on. He's just hanging on. I was really feeling this look once I got the sparkles on. I was really feeling it. So now I'm just putting on some mascara. Oh, wait. Totally forgot. Eyeliner. It's just the Masterpiece stick from Maybelline. It's the one I use like all the time. I've used a lot of eyeliners and this one takes the cake. I'm just doing a small cat eye. I didn't want it too dramatic because Sunmi, like, I noticed her eyes are very subtle and sweet, but her lips are gonna be like, you know, they're very powerful, and that's what I was trying to go for. So right here, I am using my favorite highlighter ever, the Cinnamon. It's also a Fenty Beauty stick. And I'm putting it on my cheekbones, my nose, tip of my nose, side of my nose, or nostrils, that's what you call it, nostrils, and some on my, and okay, right there I saw a cute ass little tiny spider on the outside of my window. And I saw his little mouth move, and I was like, oh my god, you're so adorable. But anyway, he would not be adorable if he got in this house. I didn't put any on my forehead because my forehead's pretty flat, and I feel like the highlighter doesn't work very well for me because my forehead's so flat. I feel like it goes on people when their foreheads come out just a little bit more. I put quite a bit on my left side, so I'm kind of like, I'm just trying to like blend it out the best I can. Posing like a nerd for you guys. So please do not mind my lips. I tried this on earlier just so I could see what it looked like, and then I took it off so I can start my makeup all over again. So please do not mind that little bit that's on my lip. I believe it's called Amorph. I think I'm saying that right. Amorph. I love this color once it dries. It's like a matte. And it's red, but not too red, if that makes sense. It's like they put a little extra pink in there. Something. I don't know what they put in here, but it's not completely red, and I really like that. So pretty much this is the finished look. I was kind of feeling myself. Look at that. Look at that. I was like, ooh, an updo, maybe? I really hope that I had a wig, guys. I really was hoping I had a wig that was similar to Sunmi's hair, but I didn't. Unfortunately, I have a blue wig and a black wig, and I didn't think either one of those were going to work. So I just left my hair out. And right here, I'm going back over with my suede stick, and I put it in the dark areas of my neck. Kind of buff that out. And this is the finished look. I don't know, I really hoped I had something turquoise or blue, but I didn't. So I put on this sparkly dress. I left one earring in. I noticed she had streamers in her hair, which I loved. And I don't know, that's it. Bye, guys.